here's the thing. Oh, do you mean like the shit we were watching the other night that I showed you? Like, you know what you're doing.